So basically every box that you see on the screen is called a cell. You'll notice on our columns we have our letters A, B, C, D, so this is the alphabet, and our rows have our numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now every cell over here has a cell reference. So this cell here is actually A1, so it meets that column A and row 1. If I click on this cell, this will be cell C3, and you notice that the column C has been darkened a bit, and so has the row 3. That's C3, and if I click on this one would be called D5. Now I'm just going to undo everything I've done, just to get on with the instructions for this lesson. So over here are some instructions to follow, such as color cell B2 red. If I click on the B2 cell over here, I want to make it red by using the paint bucket tool on the top here to fill color. If I click onto it, and then I can choose the color red. Then I want to try cell D6 and make it green. So you can pause the video and try yourself. So once you've done that, hopefully you've managed to click on the cell D6 over here and then make it green. Now the next step is putting a pink border around the cell C4, and over here if I click on C4, after I've chosen my cell, to work with the borders, it's right next to the paint bucket tool, borders. Once you click on that, you first need to choose your color by clicking on the pencil icon and then choosing the color pink. After you've chosen your color, you need to select a border type, and we're just going to be using the first border type over here and just click onto it. And now it should be highlighted. To check if your border has been applied to it, simply click outside of the cell, and you'll notice that in C4 there's a pink border. The next step is writing your name in B8. Just click on the cell B8 and type in your name and push enter. Now for the last step is color cells A10 to C14. That means what you need to do is on A10 you need to click and drag, do not let go, all the way until you get C14. So that's over here, and then you want to make the color blue. So once you've done that, clicking on the bucket icon over here, I'll just choose blue and I'll apply the formatting. So once you've completed this worksheet, move on to the next one called formulas.